Looking for the best deals on tickets? You've come to the right place. We're checking out the working SeatGeek coupon codes for 2026. SeatGeek is the go-to for live event tickets, and these codes will help you save money on your next purchase. Our first confirmed code is SeatGeek10. This is a great starting discount for new customers. Use SeatGeek 10 to get $10 off your first ticket purchase, provided your total is $150 or more. A perfect discount for a big show or game. Next up, for the sports enthusiasts, try TRUEBLAZERFAN. TRUEBLAZERFAN offers a solid $20 off on your SeatGeek ticket purchase. Be sure to check the specific terms and conditions for this offer. For a simple, quick saving, we have the code TAKE5. Take 5 is a straightforward way to get $5 off your overall purchase. This is handy for those smaller ticket buys or when other codes don't apply. Moving on, COUPONS 10 is another excellent code for larger transactions. With coupons 10, you can snag $10 off your first eligible purchase, as long as it totals $250 or more. Great for group outings. Finally, we have a code often found through SeatGeek's partners, BLOG20. BLOG20 gives you a generous $20 off any purchase over $100. This is a fantastic deal that maximizes your savings. To use these codes, simply enter the coupon code in the designated field during the SeatGeek checkout process. The discount should automatically apply if your order meets the eligibility requirements. These codes were working at the time of this video in 2026, but always double-check the terms on SeatGeek. Keep an eye out for updated deals and enjoy your next event.